I used to have this silly thought that old people don't cheat. Oh God, I think that's the most silly thing I've ever done in my life. That's the most silly thought that I've ever crossed my mind, because why on earth will I ever think of something like that? I don't even know how I came about that mindset. I don't know. Maybe because of my grandmother, because I grew up to me that she was already old. She was so honest. I can tell you, even I can still remember then when we were growing up, my grandma used to sell firewood. She used to sell those petty things at home that time. So if you want my grandmother to put plenty extra, just send a little child, a young boy or a young girl. My mother, because it's a young boy or a young girl, my grandmother will rather put extra. They call it jarana, and you understand? Because she will feel like, oh, she's this kind of person. Oh, you sent a child. Let me do it in a way that the person will not think, oh, because he or she sent a child, that's why we did it like that, or that's why we cheated the child. So my grandmother was like that. She was that kind of person. She was so honest, and I experienced it for so many years. I saw it. I saw how she will never, even those times she would say, oh, they change even full, and they will say, maybe somebody came to buy something and she don't have change. So she will not be asking people in the house, call one change. Do you have change? Do you have change? Please give me money. Give me 5 naira there. Give me 10 naira. I want to use it for change for somebody. So trust me, my grandmother will refund that money. Even sometimes maybe she forgot by mistake. She will still. There are times she will just wake up in the morning. My grandmother will say, "Hi, my mom was outside then. I thought I'm owing you." You will say, "Yes." "Oh, sorry, I forgot." My own grandmother, you understand? She was so honest. I've never really come across that woman cheat somebody. You understand? People were the ones cheating her. Yes, people were cheating her. So people will buy, they won't even return the money. So we come, they will say, she will sell on credit for people. They will come back and tell her that, my house, we've paid though. She will say, you did not pay. They will say, we brought the money for you now. Maybe you forgot because they're saying that she's old. She will say, okay. People were cheating her, you understand? She never cheated. So maybe it's because of that I had that mindset. So I just have that thought that old people, especially people who are really old, they don't cheat. There is no way they will cheat. So the first encounter I had was when I was in university. I won't mention the state. So there was this old woman I normally buy things from. You understand? She sells foodstuff and all that, even spaghetti and all that. So the first encounter I had with her, I bought spaghetti from her, and the ones I selected, I used to buy like 5 packs. I would just buy those because the market was far from our lodge. So anytime I go to the market, I would just buy few things that would take me for like 2 weeks or so. So I bought the spaghetti. The ones I selected, I saw outside. I selected those, and she told me, no, don't worry, that she will give me from the shop, from the store inside the shop. I said, okay. She went inside the shop and packed the ones that rat had caught. She didn't even put one. I remember I bought 5 that day. She didn't put one. You know, even if you want to do something like that, you even put 1 or 2. So the person will say, maybe you made mistake or you didn't see it. The whole 5 were consumed by rats. All of them. And it was so obvious that immediately I removed it from the bag in the hostel, everything just poured. And I was just seeing the chunks, the little particles, everything. So I was like, wow. Even the Maggi I bought, the pack I bought from her, the same thing. Then I was like, is it that she didn't know? Asked me, why did you go back to that woman? I went back the next day when I was coming back from school. I went back. She now told me, she didn't know. Are you sure it's from this place? There's no the rat in your hostel. I said, we don't have rats. She said, there is no way you will not have rats. There is no house in this village that will say they don't have rats. So this man denied that she's not the one. Wow, maybe. I was like, I just said, okay, no problem. That was the first time. Thanks for watching. The story continues in my next video. Bye-bye.